Hello children! Are you ready to have another fun lesson in math? If yes, let's make learning more fun and engaging. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's sing a song about fraction by Number Rock. Are you ready children?
Yes, teacher!
There were 5 pieces in one whole pie. The denominator of the whole pie was 5. The numerator of my part was 3, as 3/5 of the pie was for me. My mom made the apple pie out of Granny Smith's. She asked me if I liked it. I said, I plead the 5th.
The numerator's the pie, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole.
3 birds were on a telephone pole. The denominator 3 was the group as a whole. The numerator 2, out of the thirds, described the 2/3 that were bluebirds. The numerator 2 described how many were blue. Then something fell on my head. It was bird poo.
Bird poo. The numerator's the pie, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole. Na 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 na.
I took 4 shots on the goal. 3 went in, but 1 hit the pole. The denominator was all 4 shots. The numerator was the 3 goals I got.
The other team's record and taking a toll. I got 3/4 summer shots and 1 Olympic gold. The numerator's the pie, the denominator's the whole, and fractions are parts of a whole.
A number line is every fraction between 0 and 1. Right in the middle is 1/2. 1/4 is half of that. A fraction's parts you realize have to be the same size.
Hey, we're late for the game.
Hate to leave you guys.
Did you like the song children?
Yes, teacher!
Wow, that's great! At the end of our discussion, you are expected to recognize fraction, identify 1/2 and 1/4 of a whole object, throw 1/2 and 1/4 of a whole object. Do you understand, children?
Yes, teacher!
Good! Now, sit properly, eyes on the screen, and listen. Let's learn about recognizing fractions. What is fraction? A fraction is a number that is used to show how many equal parts are there. Let's have an example. This is a watermelon. It is 1 whole. If we are going to divide it into 2 equal parts, 1 part out of 2 equal parts of the watermelon is 1/2. Therefore, each part of the watermelon is 1/2 of the whole watermelon. In fraction, the number below the fraction bar is called denominator. It shows how many total equal parts are in the whole. The 2 in the fraction 1/2 shows that the whole has a total of 2 equal parts. The number above the fraction bar is called numerator. It shows how many of the total equal parts. The 1 in the fraction 1/2 shows 1 out of 2 equal parts. Fractions can be represented using area model and number lines. One thing that is important to remember is that fractions can have different values depending on the size or amount of the whole. Let's have another example here. This is one whole pizza. If we are going to divide it into 4 equal parts, 1 part out of 4 equal parts of the pizza is 1/4. Therefore, each part of the pizza is 1/4 of the whole pizza. Do you understand what fraction is, children?
Yes, teacher.
Let's try this activity to check if you really understand our lesson today. Which square is divided in half? Remember that half means being divided into 2 equal parts.
Teacher, the answer is square D.
That's right. It's square D. Both square A and B are not divided into 2 parts. Square C is divided into 2 parts, but the parts are not equal. While square D has 2 parts that have the same exact size. Let's have another try. Which circle is divided in fourths or quarters? Again, remember that fourths mean being divided into 4 equal parts.
Teacher, circle B is the correct answer.
Good job! You can see that in circle A, it is divided into 3 parts. That means circle A is not the correct answer. Circle B is divided into 4 parts that are all equal. So, this one is the correct answer. The other 2 circles are divided into equal parts. So, they're actually divided in halves. You understand, children?
Yes, teacher.
What have you learned in today's lesson?
I learned about what fraction is. A fraction is a number that is used to show how many equal parts are there.
Very good, children. Please answer the following activities in your math book, pages 215 to 216. Let's try. For number 1, color the shapes with 2 equal parts yellow and 4 equal parts blue. For number 2, draw dotted lines to divide each shape into fourths. For number 3, only a fraction of each shape is drawn. Complete the whole shape. And for number 4, what fraction of each figure is shaded? Write the fractions in the blanks. After answering, kindly take a clear photo of your activities and send it through your LMS Mathematics course 4th quarter folder week 1. That's all for today, children. I hope you learned a lot. Enjoy the rest of the day and have fun. Goodbye. Keep safe, children.